Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator and enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account. This extra layer of security helps protect your account from hackers, especially if someone gets access to your password. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to install the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. You can basically download it for free from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Now, once installed, open the app and you'll see an option to get started. After that, I want you to log in to your LinkedIn accounts. At the top right corner where you can see the Me section, there's a drop-down menu. I want you to click the Settings and Privacy because this will forward you to the option within the sign-in and security. You see that there is the account access, and on the bottom part corner you would notice that the two-factor authentication is turned off. This is a golden opportunity for us to enable the two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click the arrow which will lead you here. Now, first of all, the two-factor authentication or 2FA provides additional security by requiring an authentication code whenever you sign in with a new device. All you have to do is very simple. Click the Setup section and choose your authentication method. Because here you can choose from the following option. You can use your phone number, SMS, which is for another video. But for now, we're going to choose the Authenticator app. Here, you need to enter your LinkedIn password to make the change. I'm gonna do that right now. If you do, you should be able to receive a code sent to the email account that is associated with your LinkedIn. Now, as you may notice, I have already received the code. I'm gonna try to log this in. All right. Copy this and then very quickly switch to LinkedIn. Right here and enter this 6-digit code and click the submit button. If you do that, what will happen is just click the continue button again. Now, before you finished, LinkedIn will also give you backup codes. Write them down or store them somewhere safe. So if you ever lose your phone, you can still sign up using those backup codes. And basically, that's how you secure your LinkedIn account with Google Authenticator and the two-factor authentication. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.